What's going on, guys? Mike with NRG Creative, and a quick little update with a new product also for 2025. Stick around. Thanks for joining me today, guys. First, let me start off. I just took a quick little breather, got away for a couple days, and I had a problem with the website. So that has all been fixed. That's why I run a backup also on the Etsy store. So, but the website is up and running. Everything's fine. So let's get on with today. Before I get into the new product for 2025, let me talk about the rear mounts, specifically for flag mounts, because a lot of people like to run the flags. Some people are not running 360 cameras, and that's okay. You don't have to. But if you're looking for just a flag mount, guys, this mount right here tops all. Plain and simple. Nothing else will do any better, other than if you're doing a 360 camera stick. Now you can do a 360 on this, but it holds it 90 degrees up, just straight up and down. If you want a little bit better angle perspective, this one is a little bit more, but you go with the rear mount. This thing right here, nobody, absolutely nobody can top it. This is it, guys. This one here has your 360 camera mount, holds it at a 30-degree angle. It's also got a flag mount that you can hold your flag straight up and down. This design, it is absolutely the strongest out there. So those are ready to go, guys. As you can see back here, there's another order going out. But let's talk about the new one. For the guys that aren't running the 360 cameras, your GoPro, this is the new one. Let me show you guys the old style. Okay, so this is the one that's been available for a long time now, and it is a fantastic mount for your GoPro. It's designed so you can take and use this style clip on your GoPro and just clip it right in place, and it's extremely sturdy, guys. But I wanted to go ahead and make what I call the hybrid mount, because although I have never had it happen and I've never seen it happen, my thinking is that this little tab right here is going to be the weakest point because it is 3D printed. So, although they're still available, and like I said, I've never had an issue with any of these mounts, but I wanted to make one. I like to improve things. So we have the hybrid mount. Basically looks the same, a couple little changes that I took from the 360 model that I do. But hybrid means that along with the mount, now it has a billet aluminum top here. So this right here is going to clip in there, and that makes there's no chance that these tabs are going to break off, and there's absolutely no way this thing is going to bust off of here. So like I said, this is the hybrid mount. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you going with the standard one, but now you have the option for the hybrid one. So this is new for 2025. It'll be available in all the colors, just like that. The billet aluminum piece here, no matter what color mount you have, is going to be black. Okay, so it comes fully assembled. Everything is the billet aluminum and stainless steel hardware, and all you need to do is mount it to your ski and go. So that's new for 2025. Like I said, guys, that rear mount that's printing right there, these things are unstoppable. And then if you want to add the extra assurances that are on the website also, as far as what I call the secure strap, they're bulletproof, guys. These things are badass. With these mounts, especially the rear mounts, your weakest point is going to be your selfie stick. That's plain and simple. That's about with anything. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back at it. I've got some orders to pack up and ship out for tomorrow, but yeah, check that out. I will have this on the website later today. It's not on there as of yet, but I will have the hybrid GoPro mount. Talk to you next time.